Hey, if you want to completely unpair your HUAWEI Watch Fit SE from your iPhone, all you have to do is to open the HUAWEI Health App on your iPhone, go into Devices and select your watch. Now click on the 4 dots in the right upper corner. Okay, there's probably screen issue with my iPhone. I cannot tap on it. That's weird. But normally, okay, there we go. Now we can just click to unpair device and tap to unpair. And now, as you can see, you will have to go into the Bluetooth settings. So let's do this. Open the Bluetooth. And from the list, select your HUAWEI Watch Fit, click on it and tap to forget this device and confirm to forget. And now when you go back, you can click finish the steps and click OK. And now you completely remove your device from this phone and from this account. After you restart the application, this watch will disappear. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.